Luan Originals. Yep, we're getting ready to set out again. It's been one day since our last kayaking attempt. Though at the upload rate we've been going, this will probably be up about a month later than the previous one. Like to stretch it out, you know. Don't want to overload you with kayaking adventures all at once, but yeah. It's been one day, we're ready to go again. Luke's pushing my kayak-a-lack. What? Oh yeah, Luke's trying to dig his own grave. That's why he's gonna... Oh, thanks. Got a camera in my hand, so I
gotta reach the paddle.
I got him. Here we go. Thanks, Luke.
Dude, look at how quiet you can be.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
You're like a snake. That's blonde. Was that random?
Yeah.
I saw that at the end. Is that like a conspiracy?
No, people actually believe that.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yep.
Why? Like people who are colorblind?
Yeah.
It's gotta be people who are colorblind.
Yeah. This is pretty nice.
He's got black hair.
Yep.
Well, from
But
what
he's
I've
blonde. Oh, he dyes his hair. That's what they believe. Yep.
Why are we stuck together?
You know, like to be buddies. Like to be buddies, buddying up
Are you
together.
warm?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take my hoodie off.
Why do you even have one on?
Because it was cold at my house.
Oh.
Well, it wasn't cold, but it was windy.
Oh.
I didn't want to get windburned.
Okay.
No,
I hear you.
I don't think it's windburned.
I hear you.
Yep, that ain't happening. I ain't gonna take it off in here, dude. I'll flip it.
Okay. Well, gonna try to separate from Luke and get go. I don't know where we're going. We just wanted to get out and maybe see some cool sunset
There's
today.
Some cool kayakers.
Where?
Way
I see him way up there.
Way up top.
I don't know if you can see Luke's dad way out there. We got in at the same time. He flew way ahead of us because Luke and I were buddying up together.
We can tell by the little rock towers over there.
Oh, yeah.
Like I said, we're just exploring this area, which is the same place we were yesterday, the previous vlog. Yeah, we keep hearing a beaver. We're believing it to be the legendary brown beaver.
They're bad.
Luke says they're bad. I've never seen one myself, so I'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, it's just kind of unreal how different this looks only a day later, isn't it?
Dude, look how huge it is. Looking.
Looks huge. We're in another shallow area with trees like this. There's a bunch of geese nearby. Like Luke's dad says there's like 40 of them right around here. I see one right up there. Try to zoom in.
Whoa. Do you see him?
Yeah.
Maybe we can sneak up on him.
Counting 12. Huh.
Like a boss.
Up there? Alright.
gonna go paddling by him real slow. Might be that. It might be Clint Pope. Who?
There's the dick.
I like how them geese go paddling right through here.
They're just like,
Go on.
huh?
Go on.
Go on. Back, boy.
Dude, I'm like hitting bottom with my paddles.
I know. I'm stuck. I couldn't get my.
Or you
I don't know what I was doing. I'm going flat. Remember that time we were camping? Or, we weren't camping, but I think it was the same day that you almost got hit by the bird. And we were swimming. And we looked over and there was that boat full of farmers.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought Luke was gonna try to go into that tree, but it looks like even he realizes that may be a little undoable. I'd really like to see that, though. Oh, boy. I think he's stuck. Oh, got turned around. Undoable?
No, it's doable. You just gotta get pretty low.
Oh.
Like, you have to go fast. Like, get up to speed, I think.
Get low. And this nice, kind of like a river. There's a rock right in front of me. Looks like Luke's going on to shore. Maybe. After failing the, ducking tree. Dodge the rock. Yep, Luke's landed him. Keep hitting the camera with my paddle. Wonder where we go.
your eye and you're lost.
Yeah.
We're in a slow ship.
We've docked on shore, just deciding our next move. A nice fire pit here. Looks just knock that tree over, light it on fire. Alright, we're kind of just chilling now. The sun is actually ridiculous right now. We're here near this beaver house. We keep hearing beavers like jumping into the water, hoping to see one and catch it on film, but I doubt that's gonna happen, so we're just gonna weasel our way on into there. Get a weasel our way into there again and you know, have some fun in there, because let me tell you, this sun isn't fun.
Not know where we came through yesterday.
Thought it was in through here.
We just went around and it looked like it's very easy. It's a Mr. Beaver.
Great.
Oh, thanks. I remember coming through here, but I don't remember where the path was.
Get buggy.
Good stuff.
Uh-oh, we're gonna be jammed.
We came through here.
Did we?
Because I remember this.
Do you?
Yeah.
But it's pretty much like work, only it's around the outside. Yeah. There's spider webs all over in there.
Really?
Well, yeah, I ate one.
Really?
Yeah, right across my mouth.
You swallowed it.
No, just went across my mouth.
You know you can order bugs off Amazon to eat.
I did not.
Like canned tarantula.
I did not.
Yeah, dude.
Did you see that post on Facebook about the tarantula hauling a mouse up the refrigerator?
The what?
A tarantula. It had a mouse in its fangs and carried it up the refrigerator.
Really?
A whole mouse.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Don't know what that was.
Going, Luke?
Nothing.
Slam.
Dunk.
Just out on the open water. Got a lot of people out today. It's actually Memorial Day. We're at the area I was at. I don't know if you guys watched my vlog from last year, like the final vlog, solo kayaking adventure. I was in, you know, this body of water. It was fall. The water was down pretty low, but now it's, you know, what would you say, Luke?
Pretty high.
Pretty high. So we're just like, Luke's on shore. He had to stretch. I didn't feel like going on shore just to come back off, but we're getting ready to head out. There's a bunch of other people. Like I said, there's a bunch of other kayaks because it's Memorial Day. A lot of other people are using the, you know, the way we, you know, dock and stuff. So we're gonna wait for them and just chill out here a minute. We wanted to see the sunset, but I don't know if that'll happen or whatever. But it's kind of cool. Can't really. Oh, I can kind of see it in the corner of my eye.
Like back there.
Yeah. Maybe if I spin, I can get a better angle. But this is dangerous because I'm like laying down. Lay on down. I were to ever fall in my kayak, now would be the time. So hopefully it happens right now. Ah, there we go. Yeah, that's pretty pretty. I might use this as the thumbnail. Or the mom. I didn't mean to take a video. It's out here making smoke on the water because good old vaping.
Fire in the sky.
Fire in the sky. Alright, I think I'm gonna end this here because I actually remembered to make an ending clip this time. But yeah, I see Luke creeping up behind me, creeping while I'm sleeping. And yeah, it's been a fun day. Here's the sunset if you guys were wondering. Looks pretty magnificent. Looks better in person than on camera though. But you know how it is.
It's because you're using the wrong filter.
Oh, true. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna end this here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and look forward to more kayaking adventures.
Get up and slam, and welcome to the gym.